So today we'll be talking about the Ender 3 V2, which is popped up on the screen right now. And then we'll be having the Bambu Lab Mini, A1 Mini. And then this is the Bambu Lab P1S. This is the Bambu Lab A1. We'll be talking about all of these today. So first I'm going to start off with the Ender 3 V2. I personally do have this 3D printer, and I think it's a great printer for beginners. You can get it $99 at a Micro Center near you. You just have to sign up for their email, which is very easy because I just canceled mine after I got my printer. If you're wanting, just very good printing speeds is kind of slow, but if you're wanting good, clean prints pretty much off the base, you're going to have to do a lot of building on it and a lot of testing and a lot of tinkering with it, but overall it's a good printer and it's very nice to have. I'd recommend getting some upgrades, like putting the filament spool on the side instead of on top of it, because PLA is known to break pretty easily on the top, and probably get some bed upgrades and figure out bed adhesion and make sure your Z offset is set right. Okay, so now we're going to be jumping straight into the Bambu Lab A1 Mini, which is next up this price range. For $189, which you can get cheaper on sale, you get a extremely fast 3D printer. Comes in a smaller size than the V2, but it's still a great printer, pretty much built out of the box. I do not have it, but I do want it. It's going to be able to do multicolor if you get the AMS. It's going to just overall great printer. That's going to be probably next up the price range if you're looking about the 180 to 200 area. If you want the multicolor, that probably run you about an extra $140 sometimes. Yeah, that's just about it. It has about everything that you could ever want in a printer. And it's touchscreen, very good. It's just one arm though, so you might need to have some stabilizers put on it. Next, we'll be going to the A1, which is the big brother of the A1 Mini. It is a massive 3D printer. It's bigger than the V2. It's very quick. It's awesome and everything, and it's great at multicolor, and you can print anything that you'd ever want pretty much on it. And you're probably never going to need to upgrade. It's always has touchscreen, very easy to set up, minimal building. It's going to pretty much work anywhere that you put it, and it's going to be a great addition to your workshop, room, wherever you're putting it. It's just a great printer overall. It's very big, like I said, and it's very quick. You can print anything that you want in probably less than 2 to 3 hours. It's going to print any size of something you want. It has a very nice build plate. The only thing is you might want an enclosure if you're going to be printing something that might be a little harder to needs like climate and that, and you're probably going to want to tweak it a little bit. It's probably going to need a little bit of tweaking if you get the AMS combo, because it is going to be multicolor. Multicolor can be a little difficult from what I've experienced with some printers I've used before. Personally, I do have the V2, but I've used a multicolor printer, and they can be a little challenging sometimes, but overall, probably going to be a great printer to get. Creality sells some pretty good printers, but I would recommend just going with Bambu Lab. They're just better about everything that they've been doing. But I recommend Bambu Lab probably overall everything. And then next we're going to go with the Bambu Lab P1S. It is enclosed, but it's pretty much the same thing as the A1, but enclosed. So you can do any material. And then some materials you can't because the nozzle heat will not get high enough. If you want to print like almost metal-like carbon fiber and stuff, you're going to get the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. It is about a $2,000 printer, but the P1S runs you about $800 to $900, depending on what time you're buying it, when you're buying it. It's going to be a great printer to have. That's at the expensive range. I've tried to put 4 different, starting kind of cheap and then going up. That's going to be the best of the best. Get the X1 from Bambu Lab. Now it's going to be $2,000 if you want the big dog printer, but I recommend getting the A1, not the A1 Mini. If you have that money to spend on it, this is it today. Sub to KB3D, drop me a like. I put all the pictures of the products at the start of the video. Bye.